Ready? You trying to help? I don't know how much it's doing.
Adrian, there's like a small schoolboy trapped inside you.
Either that or you've eaten one.
Is that good?
I mean, it just doesn't match you.
Yeah.
Ready or not?
No, Adrian, this is not for you, baby. It's not hard.
Adrian, you are a very sweet guy.
Is that good, baby?
But I have to say no, and I
Thanks.
need to find something else.
Yeah.
One more?
Okay, so that'd be nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry.
Nice guy.
You have my number. If you want to recall back, then call me.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Adrian couldn't deliver a championship performance.
Is it good or is it yucky?
Call me or send me an email. Let me know when there's a job
I'm not
opportunity.
so sure, are you? Oh, no, you don't want your fingers in there. No. Want more? Yeah? Why do you make that face?
Because she doesn't never done it before.
Want some more or are you done? Oh, you don't want your fingers in there. Yeah?
How you doing? Whenever you're ready.
You sweet baby. Is it not that? It's not good, is it? Doesn't look very good. Wanna try it?